Welcome to our channel. If you're a property owner or manager looking to verify your Agoda partner account to list your accommodation, follow these comprehensive step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Agoda partner portal at ycs.agoda.com and log in using the email address and password you created when you registered your property. Step 2. After logging in, navigate to your property dashboard where you'll see your account status and any pending verification tasks that need completion. Step 3. Locate the verification or complete your profile section in your account dashboard. Agoda requires partner verification to ensure property authenticity and guest safety. Step 4. Provide complete property information, including your property name, exact address, property type, number of rooms, and amenities available to guests. Step 5. Upload high-quality photos of your property, including exterior shots, room interiors, common areas, and amenities. Clear photos help verify your property's authenticity. Step 6. Enter your business registration details, including your business name, tax identification number, and business license number if applicable to your region. Step 7. Set up your payment information by providing your bank account details where you want Agoda to transfer guest payments. Ensure the account is in your business name. Step 8. Upload required legal documents such as proof of property ownership, business licenses, or property insurance certificates as requested by Agoda. Step 9. Complete the property verification call if Agoda contacts you. They may call your property to confirm the phone number and verify property details. Step 10. Wait for Agoda's verification team to review your submission. You'll receive email updates and notifications when your property is verified and ready to accept bookings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.